Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the NutriChef Ceramic Cookware Set with cooking utensils. This is a 14-piece set in a beautiful beige finish, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with what's in the box. This is a complete set, and that's a big selling point. You get multiple pots and pans in various sizes, designed to cover all your cooking needs, from a quick breakfast scramble to a hearty stew. What sets this apart, and what's highlighted in the features, is the non-stick ceramic coating. NutriChef claims this interior is durable, marble-like, and resistant to scratches and staining. This is crucial for anyone who's tired of food sticking to their pans and spending ages scrubbing. The promise of effortless cleanup after every meal is certainly appealing, especially for those of us with busy lives. Another significant feature is the versatility. This cookware set is compatible with all cooktops. That means gas, electric, ceramic, and even induction. This is fantastic news if you're not sure about your current stovetop, or if you're planning on upgrading. It ensures that no matter what kind of kitchen you have, this set should work seamlessly. They emphasize even heat distribution, which is key to consistent cooking results, preventing hot spots and burnt food. When it comes to design, the set focuses on user safety and comfort. The handles are designed to be cool to the touch, offering a secure grip even when the pans are hot. This is a vital safety feature, especially in a busy kitchen. The finish is also described as stain-resistant, which will help keep your cookware looking good over time. The tempered glass lids come with silicone rims. This is a nice touch, as it helps to create a tighter seal, trapping heat and moisture for better cooking, and also prevents rattling. The inclusion of a full cooking utensils set bundled in is another layer of convenience, meaning you might not need to buy separate spatulas, spoons, and the like to get started. Aesthetically, the beige finish is a standout. It's a departure from the typical black or stainless steel, and it adds a touch of elegance and warmth to the kitchen. NutriChef clearly aims for this set to be both functional and beautiful. The reinforced build is mentioned, suggesting durability that goes beyond just the non-stick coating. The idea is that this set will be a practical and organized addition to your kitchen, both in terms of performance and visual appeal. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons as I see them. On the plus side, the comprehensive 14-piece nature of the set is a huge advantage. It's a great option for someone setting up a new kitchen or looking to replace a whole collection at once. The non-stick ceramic coating is a major draw, promising easier cooking and significantly less cleanup. The all-cooktop compatibility is also a big win for versatility. The ergonomic and heat-resistant handles, along with the tempered glass lids with silicone rims, demonstrate thoughtful design for safety and cooking efficiency. And of course, the stylish beige finish can really enhance the look of your kitchen. However, there are potential downsides to consider. While ceramic non-stick is generally good, its long-term durability can vary. We'll need to see how it holds up to rigorous daily use, especially regarding scratch resistance compared to more robust materials. Also, while the set includes utensils, their quality might not match that of dedicated, high-end utensils. It's important to manage expectations here. Finally, while the beige finish is stylish, it might show grease or food splatters more readily than darker colors, potentially requiring more frequent wiping down of the exterior. In conclusion, the NutriChef Ceramic Cookware Set with cooking utensils is a very promising offering. It strikes a good balance between comprehensive functionality, practical design elements, and aesthetic appeal. If you're in the market for a complete cookware set that's easy to use, easy to clean, and looks great on your stovetop, this beige NutriChef set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.